Welcome to our deep dive into the best cheap AI laptops and tools for coding in 2025. Whether you're a student coder or a tech enthusiast, the right device can seriously boost your workflow. Today, we'll help you unlock smarter, budget-friendly choices with the latest specs and AI integrations designed just for modern coders. With numerous brands launching AI-powered laptops this year, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by flashy marketing or unclear features. We're cutting through the noise to show you exactly which affordable options offer the best balance of speed, battery life, and AI enhancements. Let's start by looking at what makes a laptop perfect for code and creativity. Supreme coding tools don't have to break the bank. We've handpicked 3 standout laptops, each designed to handle AI-assisted coding, multitasking, and creative workflows on a budget. Watch as we explore these models up close, breaking down their most useful features for student coders and entry-level developers. First up, the NovaBook Lite. It's lightweight, stylish, and surprisingly powerful with its integrated AI coprocessor. This laptop keeps your code compiling in record time while optimizing battery efficiency. Let's take a closer look at its display, keyboard feel, and how well its AI features streamline day-to-day coding chores. Our tests show its display clarity and ergonomic keyboard make hours of coding comfortable. The built-in AI assistant can auto-complete complex functions, refactor code, and even anticipate errors before you make them. For students juggling projects, this means less stress and more productive coding nights. Next, the Zenith Core 2025 stands out with its endurance battery and robust AI learning tools. Its sturdy build ensures reliability, while preloaded machine learning environments empower coding practice from day one. This is ideal for those diving into AI app design or seeking to master data science without expensive hardware. Combined with the right AI coding tools, both laptops unlock seamless project workflows and advanced code optimization. Apps like Code Companion and AI Debug Pro help with syntax, tracking errors, and speeding up development, whether you code late at night or between classes. Let's see how these tools perform in real-world scenarios. In live demos, Code Companion's auto-suggested fixes save valuable minutes, turning challenging errors into quick wins. Visual explanations from the AI pet make troubleshooting feel interactive and unintimidating for beginners. Every coding session becomes smoother, setting a supportive tone for anyone learning or working with fast-evolving tech stacks. Finally, we can't ignore cloud-based development platforms like AI Code Studio, which make advanced coding feel possible on any affordable laptop. With AI-driven code reviews, collaboration, and instant testing, these tools bring powerful features straight to your student setup. No high-end hardware? No problem. Let the cloud supercharge your projects. The future of affordable AI laptops and coding tools is bright and accessible to all in 2025. Whether you're coding your first app or launching into machine learning, these devices and platforms will help you grow without breaking your budget. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on reviews, product tips, and tech tricks tailored just for you.